Hey, how are you doing? Just wanted to tell you that I'm very proud of what you're doing. Everything you're doing is great. You've been doing a lot of work, as you may have noticed, not only the theoretical part of it, which we're getting into, but also how to take it into reality, how to practice it, how to take it to reality. So I'm very proud of what you're doing. But now I want to invite you to take it a step further. What you know is good, but I want you to develop the self-confidence and the knowledge of how to put it into real world applications. So you're going to start working on your projects right now that you're going to hand in for the end of the semester. I'm going to invite you to set a target at 3 levels. One is the minimum, something that you feel comfortable, that challenges you, but you can do, something that you're going to be doing and that you're going to be implementing for the end of the semester. So I want you to feel comfortable that you're going to get a very good grade, but I do want you to be challenged because you are top engineering students, advanced engineering students, and I want to prepare you, and I want to make sure that you're prepared to solve real problems in the real world, okay? So that's the first thing that's going to happen. Now, you have a minimum target, and I'm also going to ask you to set a target. The target is really what you would like to be doing. Something that's a little bit more challenging, something that takes you a little bit more in depth, perhaps, with what you're doing with your project, something that's in line. So you have a first level that's called the minimum, then you have the target, that's what you're looking for, and finally, you have what we call the wow. Now, what is the wow? That is something that you're going to impress yourself. It's something awesome. It's something utterly amazing. So now, for your project, you have 3 levels. One of them is the minimum, and that's the least you're going to do for this course. That's going to get you a very good grade, and that's something that you and I are going to agree on. The next level is really the target, what you really want to be doing, and what you'd like to take it to. And perhaps you're a little bit concerned if you're going to have time, if it's going to affect your grades. So it's something you want to do, and I want you to be at peace with it. And then it's the wow. Now here's the deal. If you get to the wow, we agree on the wow. The wow works. Number one, it has to work. It's not an intention. It's not a passing grade. It's not I did the job and I put a lot of effort. No. You really amaze yourself. You really amaze me. You guys get 20 points over the final grade additional, and you can say that you passed this course. If you already have a very high grade, you can say that you passed this course with a lot of extra points, okay? Unfortunately, I cannot carry them over to other courses. That's not in my power. But number 2, if you're missing some points, you didn't do so good in the exam, that's going to help you recover and get your grades back up. But more importantly, I think you're really going to do something amazing. And I know you can. I mean, I've worked with students at Carnegie Mellon University. I've worked with students at Tecnológico de Monterrey. I've worked with students in many different places. And you guys are awesome. You can do it. I want you to know it. I want the world to know it. So take on that challenge. So there's 3 levels for your project: the minimum, the target, and the wow. And in all 3, you're going to celebrate at the end of the semester. Okay, see you guys. I got to run.